Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Firestick model and updating its OS so apps install correctly. Purchase or subscribe to a reputable VPN that supports Fire TV. Once done, sign into the VPN site on your phone or PC to get credentials. On the Firestick, go to Settings and enable apps from unknown sources if the VPN isn't in the store. Now open the Amazon App Store and search the VPN name. You're ready to download the official app. After installation, launch the VPN app and sign in using the credentials you prepared earlier. This authenticates your device. Make sure to grant any permission prompts so the VPN can create a secure connection. Select a server location based on speed or content access needs, and toggle features like auto-connect and kill switch for safety. If the app asks about split tunneling, decide whether to route only specific apps through the VPN. Test the connection by streaming a region-restricted app to confirm access. You finalize setup by confirming the VPN shows as connected in the app and by testing a geo-blocked streamer to ensure the location changed. If streaming still fails, restart the Firestick to clear network issues and try again. Make sure your router doesn't block VPN protocols. Switch between UDP and TCP or try different ports in the app settings. If the VPN won't install or connect after these steps, reinstall the app. Update the Fire OS and contact the VPN provider for support. That usually fixes persistent problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.